Hello everybody, good day. My name is Shravan, and today in this video I'm going to help you how you can set up billing alert for your AWS account. So most of us know AWS already providing a free trial account. It is very good way to learn. It will really help us for the newcomers to learn AWS. But at the same point, once you cross your free tier limits, such as if you have an easy instance of 50 hours per month, once you cross that, your billing starts. So most of us, with knowingly or unknowingly, once you cross your limits, you are going to get billing. So some of the services like EC2, because these are dependent on the region specific or availability zone specific, sometimes you may build these instances in different regions. You may forget to turn off that. So surprisingly, you may get end of the month a bill with a bomb. So for that reason, today I'm going to help you how you can set up the billing alert so that at certain point of time per month, if you don't want to spend more than $5, $1, $10, whatever it is, once you reach the threshold level, you will get an alert. So for that, if you look at a very high level, this is the page aws.amazon.com/free. Here you can see that what free details, what are the Amazon is offering for free account, like some hours for EC2, 1 GB of quick site, and RDS of hours, Amazon S3, and everything S3, and you get a lot of other details of free things. So I hope you already have a free account. Once you have a free account here, this is the sign in which we usually do in the console. And once you go to your account, here you can say my account. Under my account, here if you look at, you have in the left side panel, you have preferences. Here, this is very important, guys. If you look at receive billing alerts, turn on this switch to monitor your AWS usage. So if you want to get a billing alerts, you have to enable this. But just remember, once you enable this, once you save the preferences, you cannot turn this off. But by enabling this, it's not going to consume anything and even the cost. So don't worry about that, but just to give a heads up, once you enable, you cannot disable. You can save the preferences. Once you save this, you look at here, I got grayed out. That means I cannot disable now. Now what you can do is you need to set up the billing alerts. So now you can click on manage billing alerts. It will redirect to your CloudWatch, which is going to help you for alerting. So that I'm going to billing here, left pane, and create alarm. Yes. See, if you look at here, when my total exceeds for the month of, so for now I'm putting up $10. That means every month, if it reaches $10, then it will send me an alert. So where I want to send this alert. So 7.com, right? And if you look at, once you set up this, and once I create this alarm, waiting for completion, but that means now I got an email for subscription. So I just need to open my email here. Okay. So this is the mail which was sent. So once confirm subscription, now my alarm will be activated because my subscription I allowed it. That, for example, because if I send some other email address which I don't like them, then it's a mess for them because it's become a spam form. That's why Amazon, what they do is they will send a confirmation email once you confirm subscription, then see yours is been subscribed. So do alarm. So insufficient data, you just wait for a couple of minutes because it has to pull the information for that. Okay. Once you come back, and it will show you, okay, just give us this a minute. That means what you have done is estimated cost 10 for hours. That means approximately, if it is crossing more than $10 per month, then you will get an alert. Right now, if you look at mine is, if it's the data, but if I go back here and see alarm billing, yes, you are receiving email because your estimate costs are greater than the limit you set. That means right now, look at, I set an alarm for $10, but my billing is already is $11. So I got an alert. Now what I can say is, let's go back, and if I go to my billing account and dashboards, look at, already I'm in 11 USD. So here I can come back. I can say that okay, I spent EC2 so much. And if I want to see of detailing of this, I can go through in which region the details. Here if you look at, I'm going to EC2, and here it's saying okay, in Mumbai I don't have anything, but in North Virginia I'm spending my instances. That means I can go back to my Amazon console, and in Virginia, if I go to EC2, if these machines are any more required for me, I'll keep it this. And if it see right now I have 0 instances, that means I'm already terminated. That means I may be cross the bill even though I don't need an instances in that region. So this is how it helps, and this alarm really makes sense for you so that you won't spend then more what you want. If you look at, my alarm got triggered now, and now based on these alarms I can figure it out whether I crossed my billing or not. And from it will be reset once again my billing cycle starts from the next month, so it will become again a 0, so again it will become the alarm. Okay, now let's say if I want to modify this for the time being, rather putting a 10, I'll put $15, so notify me with the same account which I have it, and save changes. Now if you can wait for certain amount, now this alarm will become okay. So I'm keeping a hold for the time being. Now if you look at, my alarm becomes okay because the billing which I requested is $15, but my billing is still under $11 at that point of time. So this is how this alarms will help you, and you can create a number of alarms as you wish, because initial 10 alarms are free for you from Amazon. Hopefully you like this video. Enjoy the day. Thank you.